We are driving from Italy to Austria. It's so beautiful here. Look at all the mountains are beautiful. Come and join us. We will go to Austria. We will explore Innsbruck. We're almost in Austria. Look, Austria. Welcome to Austria. We're almost there. But we enjoy the tunnels. Yes, it's a tunnels again. No, we enjoy actually the mountain here in Italy. Before we go to Austria, ang ganda. It's so beautiful. There's a lot of snow over here. Look, we're here na in Austria. Welcome to Austria. This is the boundary. At after the boundary, we stop and have some picture sa mga bundok. Yes, look, daming yellow. Daming yellow rito. We just came from Italy and there is 17-15 degree. At heto negative na. Ang lamig. Oh, picture tayo sa gasolinahan muna. Oh, bawal magturo. Mother dear, mamatanda ka dyan sa mga bundok. O, diba? O, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Yes, we are now here in Austria and we're going to Innsbruck. So, this is all the mountains full of snow. So, for sure, Innsbruck also. It's very, very cold. So, halika na. Ano pa iniintay natin? Explore natin ang Innsbruck. Sakay na. Yes. At ang ganda-ganda ng view na nadadaanan namin. Look at all the mountains in Austria. Ang ganda ang mga views. Super. We are already in Austria. Kaya kita mo, the mountain is with ice. Hindi pa nga lang ganun karami. But at least we see a lot of white. Super beautiful. Look, yung mountain there in front of us. It's red with salt. Sabi nga ni mother ko, that is a mountain with full of salt. O, diba? Ang saya. So, we're almost here in Innsbruck. Yeah, we are entering Innsbruck in Austria. So, ayun yung mountain. Full of snow here. So, for sure, napakalamig. Yan yung paglalakwat siya namin sa Innsbruck. So, we're going to Innsbruck. Yes, come and join us. Malapit na kami. Yan, ang mga mountain, papalamig. At ang mountain
And after there's a jump, you start flying.
Sa taas. So, and this is the church by entrance the Innsbruck. Yung papasok ka sa Innsbruck. Ang ganda, diba? Wow, at saka look the view with the mountains. Ang ganda, sobra white na white. Para talaga siyang may salt na bundok. Sabi nga ng nanay ko. O, diba? So, we're entering Innsbruck in Austria. This is one of the big city of Austria also. Innsbruck. Maganda rito. Ang ganda ng view dito. This is my second time here na actually. This is our second time here in Innsbruck. At nakaka-inlove si Innsbruck. Kasi yung mountain na overlooking yung view niya, ang ganda. So, we're walking. Say hello. Punta kami sa city center ng Innsbruck. Ayan. Nag-aabo-abo na ang blow ni mother. Oh. So, picture. Ayan, maglalakwat siya tayo dito sa city ng Innsbruck. At tingnan nyo yung nasa likod nyo, yung mountain na kulay puti. Yan ang tingnan nyo, look. Ang ganda. O, diba? Sobrang ganda.
Wait, sa simbahan.
This is the church here by the city center. Ayan. Lakad. Ayan. Dito tayo sa city center nila. So, we're going around. We will explore and we will show to my mother and my Wella baby how is the Innsbruck. Pero ako gusto ko lang yung nasa likuran.
Wait, sa simbahan.
Look, it's beautiful. So, lakad lang. Lakad tayo sa city center.
Ma,
Diba?
Ayan, tumaas sa nila.
Ang ganda.
Bank of Asia.
This is it. Picture na lang tayo dito. Picture, picture.
And,
Baba picture. Ganda ng lights. Luckily, na katatapos lang ng Pasko. Meron pang mga lights ng pang Christmas. Kaya ang ganda.
trato sa pupuntahan natin.
Ganda ng
Dito, wala.
So picture mama, may giant ano kaya no? Ayan. Si Giant Opa. Picture kayo. They have also Christmas tree pa. May Christmas tree pa kasi katatapos na ng Pasko. But hindi pa nila
Kapareho mo ng
tinatanggal.
edad yan.
Ayan.
Wala oh.
Picture muna kayo sa big Christmas tree bago nila tanggalin.
Maganda.
So yan ang big Christmas tree here in the city center of Innsbruck,
Ganda.
Austria.
Tayo ka dito sa mga mannequin na papang.
Picture. Picture tayo.
One, two, three. Oh. Sa likod mo.
In the picture.
One, two, three. They have...
Wow.
Hindi ka naman kita. Si Lolang kita.
Then you look for it.
Huwag ka lang lumayo kasi para kita ka mukha.
I have a schnitzel.
And now we'll start walking because we will look for a restaurant. Ayan, maglalakad tayo ng malayo kasi you know that in Vienna, in Austria, hindi ang Bappiano is from Italy. That's pizza. But here in Austria, they are famous. And here they start actually the schnitzel. Pero ako, hotdog ang in-order ko. So this is the schnitzel, the real schnitzel. Oh, yan. Chicken for Wella and pork schnitzel for Ronald. Yes. Nice food. Nilakad namin yan. Medyo malayo ang nilakaran namin para lang makakain ng schnitzel na yan. And now, tapos nang magsikain. So, kaya we're going back. Thank you for watching.